Hello everybody and welcome to this video. In this video I want to show you the dunning procedure and the payment process. Yesterday in the previous video I created for you the sales order. We can check that here. You see the sales order. And today we go into the payments. So we have accounts receivables and we want to create a dunning process. So we select the sales order we have here. We have the customer data, we have the payment terms, we have everything in there, and we want to create a new dunning. And we see the error message, there is no dunning for the sales order, means we need to create a new procedure. And as you can see here, there is no procedure defined. Then we create one. You can be a little bit more creative or descriptive for that. So step one is just a gentle reminder. We can call it gentle reminder. Maybe nicer. Gentle reminder, and give the customer another 10 days to proceed the payments. For the next level, we may call it dunning step 1 and say, okay, he has only 7 days for payment and he has to pay an interest rate of 3%. That should be enough for now. We can save that, and when we go into dunnings here, we can select the internal dunning. We ignore this yet now, right? For now. So we give it a gentle reminder. We save the data, everything will be fine. I'm not doing that right now because I want to show you the usual payments. The dunning payments are the same as the normal payments. It has just a different key to identify that this comes from a dunning. Maybe you need that in the future to determine how many customers need it. Gentle reminders, warnings, whatever, before they pay. Maybe for to qualify your customers. So we go in here, we select the customer, and we say, okay, we do booking from bank, so means customer has transferred the money via bank. We need to have a booking ID. And we have to give it an amount. And in this case, I just want to give the full amount, not more, because if the customer pays more, you have to decide if you want to keep it as a positive value in the customer account, as a positive number, and it will be used in the future for future sales orders from the customers. If he's paying less than the balance, nothing will happen. You cannot book it. It will remain open. So we will give it an amount, and you see a window opens with usually with all the sales order positions, all the positions in the we also have in the invoice, and this window stays open as long as the remaining amount is greater than the payment the customer has to make. If the payment is not sufficient, this window will not be open, and it will not be considered a payment. It's just a kind of a prepayment. So we just click on here, the window closes, and the process is done. We can check that in here. We check our debtor account, and we see the balance, the outstanding amount is 0, and he has a positive account balance of 0.94 type out in this part. So that is what usually happens. We have booking date, a value date. You can change that in the page. We have the payment amount. We have the booking key in here. And we have another table. I'm not sure about that. No, this is empty. So, and what we can do is, no, we don't do that here. We don't do that here. We just check it in the application. We go back to the sales orders, check the sales order, and you see the status is paid. So that's it for payment and dunnings. Hope you enjoyed the video, and the next video is coming up soon. Thank you very much for listening and watching. Have a nice day.